First step, visit imagecompresstool.com. Step 2, to verify that your image is being compressed correctly, choose drag and drop up to 100 images here, or click to select and first pick just one image. OMG, you can see the result, image compressed by 80%. Step 3, to download the pictures, click the download file button. Step 4, after that click reset to get rid of all the pictures and begin again. Step 5, try it now with 4 to 5 pictures and click the download zip button to get them all at once. You can now experiment with up to 100 images and observe the outcome, which shows that the images are compressed and downloaded in a matter of seconds. Check out the compressor tool now, imagecompresstool.com,